Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your notification tone on your Instagram, on your iPhone. So, really I just check all the features on my iPhone and I understand that we can't do it. So we can't change our sound notification on Instagram. So we can go to the settings, just find your Instagram, just open it, and here you will see notifications, but also you can see here sounds turn on or turn off, but also we can choose we can change sound, of our notification. And also if we just go back to our sounds and haptics, so we can see Instagram here too. So we just can't do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.